Good morning and welcome to all the media friends and the rank holders and their proud parents. We at Expert, the management of Expert along with the principals and all the teaching and non-teaching staff are very proud to announce that our students have done extremely well in the board exam as well as different competitive exams held in 2023, and we had been marking the good results since the inception of the institution, and the students come here with a lot of hopes and parents make their wards admission done at Expert with a lot of hopes that they will get very good education, and we are committed for that. And I am very proud to say that Mr. Byresh, who is a student of Expert Pre-University College, Vadachil. He has secured first rank in CET, BSc Agriculture, and second rank in Naturopathy and Yogic Sciences, and fourth rank in B.Pharma and Pharma D, and fourth rank in Veterinary Science also. You know, CET ranks are announced in different categories. In these different categories, he has performed extremely well, and everybody's dream is that I have to score first rank in CET. That dream has come true, and we are also very proud and happy. Parents will be obviously very happy and proud. And in NEET 2023, around 20 lakh students all over India write NEET. In that, he has secured 710 out of 720. It's a remarkable achievement. 710 out of 720. That is in NEET 2023. And he scored 48th rank All India ranking. The general ranking, 48th rank. And everybody's dream is to get into All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi. And he will get All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi. And what more is needed with them. And along with him, we have other two important achievers. One is Mr. Shamik Abdul Rahman. He scored 702 out of 720 in NEET, whose results was announced yesterday. And he got 180th rank, All India ranking. And we have Mr. Arnav Kamath, who secured 700 marks out of 720, who secured 307 rank, All India ranking. And we have lots of other achievers. Since they are from distant places, they could not come. But all the details we will be giving you in the printed version, and a soft copy will be made to you too. And I will be very happy to introduce the proud father and mother of Mr. Byresh. And we have Mr. Harish. Mr. Harish, who works for KMM, and Mrs. Radhamma, and who is a primary school teacher. And along with them, their elder daughter, who is doing veterinary sciences, third year. And we have proud parents of Mr. Arnav Kamath, Mr. Dr. Janardhan Kamath, and Dr. Anagha Kamath. And they are the well-known doctors in Mangaluru, Tara Clinic, Tara Hospital belongs to them. And we have all other details. And Shamik's proud mother, she is also there. Nasreen, and they are from Assam, and they came down to Mangaluru just to study at Expert. And Shamik's father is an orthopedic surgeon. They have a hospital in Assam. So we are very happy, and we have a lot of other performances which is given to you in this. And in NEET 2023, 79 students from Expert have scored 600 and above. That's a remarkable achievement. I don't think any single college anywhere in the vicinity. 79 students have scored more than 600 out of 720 in this kind of NEET exam. If you have got any questions, you please ask. And along with me, I have Dr. Usha Prabhanayak, who is the Vice Chairperson of Expert Group of Institutions, and Dr. N.K. Vijayan, who is the Principal of Vrachil Campus, and Professor Ramchandra Bhatt, the Principal of Kodalbir Campus, and Ankush Nayak, who is the Director of Information Technology in Expert. If you have got any questions to ask to any one of us, including rank holders, their parents also, you can ask. Please ask. They will also be happy to answer these questions. What you want to say?
Sir, currently I have a dream of getting into engineering. Is already fulfilled. In future, I wish to become a cardiologist. So that was my aim. And getting into AIM study, like it's a dream come true. So I'm really thankful for my institution and my parents who supported me throughout. Like when you are preparing for NEET, CET preparation will automatically be completed. So when you have already prepared for the exam, thought of why not giving it. So I attended CET. Yes sir, once the official answer key was released, I came to know I had scored good marks. So I obviously expected a good rank. I thought I would get within 10th and I would get a rank. And surprisingly I got first rank in BSc Agriculture. So I am very happy.
What made you to choose medicine? Any particular thing about your family, or is it just your own that you are decided to?
So actually my cousin sister is a doctor. So I used to look at her and the way she used to gain respect in the society. Even district commissioner, everyone used to come to visit her. So I thought doctors earn a lot of respect in the society. And what I think is that the nation is in need of good doctors. And we all witnessed this during the COVID situation. So I made up my mind to become a doctor.
Just one information about Byresh is usually we give 3 awards at Expert. One is Expert Superstar, other one the most that is for scholastic, most focused student, and one more is non-scholastic, all the cultural and other things. So Byresh got the award for the most focused student. He was for all, entire 2 years of course, there is nobody like in that he will get diverted or anything. He knew what he wanted and he was following.
This award was given last December during our Expert Day celebration. Yeah, you were asking for.
Just a question. Choose medicine.
Basically, it's the same thing with me. Like I've observed the hormones, respect, like doctors get my entire family, so kind of inspired me.
Any questions?
Parents ಯಾಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ
ಸರ್ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಇಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅವನೇ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ಇದೇ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, ತುಂಬ ದೂರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, ಏನಾದರೂ
because of that, I hope my son will make a good future here. Like that.
What would you plan to do? So, you can want to do your Yeah, mostly I'm leaning towards neuro, like neuro.
Now, maybe.
And with this, I'm not choosing anything here. Probably just Jipman.
Jipman, what is it?
Even I would like to pursue as a neurosurgeon, and maybe I'm aiming for enhance from Bangalore, and I haven't decided where to pursue my NEET UG MBBS yet, because I want to discuss with my brothers and my family as well, because I'm still young to get into a haste decision, so I want to just wait for it. My father is a doctor, even my brothers are doctors, so I don't want to be like left out from the family. My two of the brothers are doctors.
No. They are all our regular college students. We have long-term NEET coaching also, but the long-term NEET students we have not called them here. There are good scholars in that also, but these are all regular college students.
Long-term NEET really they have good result where last time they could not do. Okay, they were somewhere else. Then for 1 year they come here. So exclusive they get coaching for NEET, and we are happy that they could not do last year. They wasted 1 year. It's a great thing in life to waste like that. It's not waste. Now it is called investment. So this year they succeeded by getting more than 600. That means now their medical seat is sure. So now we can do that. They really invested their 1 year to get into medicine. PU result. No, board result.
Board total percentage and marks, physics, chemistry, biology, maths. Don't remember. My God,
I scored a total of 588.
out of 600.
Okay, 589 out of 600, and I scored around 98 point something percentage. And sorry, I don't remember the marks of the subjects.
Ma'am, you remember? Physics.
Physics, chemistry and bio 3 are 100 and in maths 99.
Yes, good.
Children don't remember, mom remembers.
He lost the marks in languages. So, but all 100 is easy to
I don't know.
I don't remember individual marks. I think I got 584 out of 600 and 95%.
Physics, chemistry. I think your father will.
He scored 100 in physics, 99 in chemistry, and 19 in biology. So PCB actually was 99. Overall was 99.
Byresh. You remember? Very good.
So I scored 589 out of 600 in my boards. I scored 100 in maths, chemistry, bio and Sanskrit. And
Now 4 subjects are there.
And I scored 99 in physics, 90 in English. 99.
99.
So dear press people, just I want to tell, see when we are talking, they actually don't remember their marks, what that actually means. They are not behind that number. Okay, their intention, because even while getting a board exam, they know that their actual target is NEET. They have to get into some good medical college. That is what actually made them not remember it, because that 100, 100, 199 is a great thing. If anybody else in his place can like flaunt like anything and you tell that okay I got 100 in, but that 100 was just negligible for them because their intention, their target is something different. At this young age, that kind of focusness which we need to actually see and we appreciate. We need to see the positive out of what they have not remembered. That's what I feel.
The expert in the last few years used to get ranking even in the UC board exam. What makes you that you don't have?
Yeah, very good question. And I know the question from him is earlier, even in the board exam, we used to get lots of rank, and recently there is no rank. Though there are 100, and if you see our marks, there is hundreds. But overall rank is not there, and what I have to tell for that? This is the thing. You got answer. How now Shamik and Arnav, they are not bothered about what is their rank in board exam. We feel sad. Language they don't study. Okay, we make fun also, Bhasha, because Bhasha illadavaru, that in Mangaluru we say no. So they don't want Bhasha, they don't want that language is not, because their intention is something else. Now here as a college, we want that rank in the board exam. We'll never say that no value, we have got lots of value for it. But we cannot force them that no, you study language because we want rank. Their future plan is something else which we need to respect. But definitely we tell, when they are in the college, we tell, concentrate on board, concentrate on board. But somewhere they are more worried about their future, because even that fraction of mark will make difference in their future. So these all good students are concentrating only on NEET, not on board. So that number 100 is, whether I get 100 or 99, I don't care. That's the attitude.
Now, one more thing. See, they don't remember the marks of board. In CET, rank is allotted on the combined performance of CET and board. So they don't remember. That's why, and I think he has not written CET at all. Arnav has not written CET. What about Shamik? See, both of them did not write CET. Had they written CET, they would have got ranks within top 10 according to me. But he has written CET and he got first rank in CET. So what she said is right.
That means your priority has changed.
No, not our priority. Students' priority. Nowadays, especially one who comes to expert, their priority is we have to focus in NEET. Only one, or JEE or JEE Advanced. Their focus is not board, but invariably they do well. See, what's the difference between 596, 595, 594, 592, except the ranks. That's why board doesn't give any rank. Board exam, when the results are announced, they don't announce any ranks. The ranks are framed by individual colleges and the media. We don't announce rank in board. You never see our board, what rank we have scored. There is no rank announcement at all. 596 if it is a total highest. There are many who have scored 596, at least 5 6.
They announced that this time, if you have seen, one number, it is actually not 6th rank or 7th rank. There are many before that, but they have claimed it as 6th rank. Like that, if you have to claim, even our students were there in that list. But we know that it's the wrong way of putting it. So we said that we will not announce the rank in that way as a 4th rank. But because the many, at least 10, 13 of them will be then 4th rank. So that thing it is done. And you also asked whether priorities changed. See, one thing is there. What is our priority?